Right, what's up, guys? How are you doing? So today I'm unveiling my brand new link in bio website, and it's basically an alternative to Linktree and maybe Beacon. I don't think it's really on that level as yet, but we have a few features that I think you guys are gonna like. And before you click off, I have a promotion whereby the first 100 people who sign up right now using the code side URL 360. I'll have it up on the screen. You're gonna get a whole year free. So you're gonna get a pro version for free. You'll be able to choose whether you want to stick with it or not. The first 100 people. I already have, I think, at least 10,000 people already. So we started the site a long time ago using a script that we got online, and from since that I've been developing it and turning it into something better. So I have Wayback Machine open right now. So this is how the site used to actually be before. That's in 2020 2023. So we do have a ton of people already in, so I just integrated it. So yeah, let's just get to the features. So you go, jump on, you go to the dashboard. I have a few people already inside of it that are new. So the older people, I hope they come back because we had to turn it into a blog for a while to like get things started because the script we are using was pretty much hacked, and it has been getting hacked all over, to be honest, because it's a script from Code Canyon we bought. And so now we pretty much changed that up. Now we have our own script, everything brand new, fresh from the jet. Jump on it, get yourself a link in bio page. It also has a URL shortener in it. So let's start with the builder, the page builder. We already have a page open, so you can see exactly what you can get. So you get, with the pro plan, you get the little icon here, verification icon. You can get a banner. You can get all these text, fancy text, the image links that all these link in bio has. This is more than just a link in bio site. It's something more of like your own page, your own slash page, basically. So you have gallery, and you can have the gallery in different ways, as in grid, carousel, things like that. And then you can have your own little forum on your website. So there's a nice little forum. It's not like in depth, but it's so that you can have little feedbacks on little things you want to have. This actually takes the last video that you post. You can make it just take a random video if you want, but this one actually takes the last video, and I just hooked it up to Mr. BC's channel. So if you were to post a video right now, every 4 hours it would try to pull the last video and it will show it up here. We have SoundCloud. You can make your song show up. Spotify, the same thing. You can have your own little shop. It's not in depth. It's mainly a WhatsApp shop where they contact you and stuff. We're gonna change it up a little bit, maybe in a few more updates. It's still in work in progress when it comes to the WhatsApp shop being like a shop itself. And we have reviews. So in case you want to have your little reviews of, we have Eiffel Tower here, but if you want to have reviews of, let's say, your shop or your garage, whatever thing you have, you can search it up and add it up, and you will have your review show on this page. So you'll be able to choose whatever page, sideurl.com slash, I don't know what you want to be. Maybe you could be Mr. Winkles slash Mr. Winkles or something like that. Yeah, and you can have all your stuff on it, your reviews, your last reviews. You could actually have a blog also that you can show on your blog. So you can have a blog and get views and stuff. Set up your own blog. You can actually have call to actions. You can collect emails. People can get in touch with you. The person can also view all your articles if you want. You can have the person view all your articles. And then we have a file. Let's say you want to host a file. The person can actually put their email in and download that file afterwards. So they won't see the file yet, but you can have it available and they can download. Let's say you have a PDF or anything like that. You can literally give it out for free. It's mainly for freebies. So you can give it out for free and stuff. So there's a ton of other features in it. These are all of them. You just click add block When you click add block, you click text, fancy text, link buttons, link list, which is the image and the link together, social icons. You have the video embed, music embed, Google reviews. So you get Google reviews on the page. You also have the blog, and all these are like mainly for your page, so they only appear on your page itself. So it's not like a thing like everybody have access to. It's on the page, and depending if you're a pro version, your articles can actually show up on the actual blog of site URL. So that's for a little bit of a boost. We have click magnet, which is basically the same thing where you create call to actions and get people to sign up, and with that you can actually collect emails and then export it as a file. Next, we have some pro features, which you guys will get. The first 100 will get banner, image gallery, the shop, the call to action, and contact form. Pretty much what we saw on the front page, and the forum. You have dividers and spacers. So that's pretty much it for that. You also can shorten URLs and automatically get a barcode for it. So I just did some random ones right there. And then we have the analytics, which shows how much views and whatever you get for the past days on your links, as in your image links, those that you click to get to your product or whatever, your affiliate. That's what the link is for. That's what the stats here is showing. And then you have views for your pages. It have click through rate, the amount of links that you got, page views, top links. It has a few of these. Yeah, you can see traffic sources and whatever it is, if in case they are available at the time. We have messages. You can message people. Hi, how are you? I need a product. So the person can message you. You also have direct messages. So we have direct messages also. The person can also block you also. So this is your QR code itself, your big QR code that you could print out or copy it, send it for people, whatever. The blog. This is all the articles. So basically this is like the admin articles. So there's a ton of articles here. So these are all my articles. I can search it up if I want. I can delete it. I can import articles from my WordPress if in case I feel that side URL is like a better place to host my articles. I just make them XMLs and just upload them. Good. Feed. So the feed is whoever you are following. So you can actually follow people on their profiles. If you see at the top, you can actually turn that off if you want. There are follows, so it's just one follow. You're just testing it out. A lot of people don't know about it yet, so yeah. Next up, we have media library, which is the amount of uploads you can have. So there is a limit to the amount of uploads you can have per subscription. So free version has a certain amount, and pro version have a certain amount. It's gonna be probably about 50 uploads, image uploads or file uploads, and then maybe 10 or 20 for free version. Pro 50, 10, 20 to maybe about that. I'm not too sure. It depends on how fast people burn through them. I will kind of change it up. And then we have businesses, which is one of my favorite. It's where you can have different businesses. So with the businesses, you can create them and have numerous. That's on the pro account. And with the pro account, you can just manage a lot of things. So let's say you have different businesses. You have me, Therespawn, and that's like my profile for gaming. And then we have like my YouTube Creator Tools extension. So I can manage all these separately and have a ton of different ones. So you can have up to 5 of them. I think that's good for the limit. You can actually create one. So I created this one for Big Fry. So if he wants, he can join. All his stuff are here. Actually, you can transfer the business to someone else. So you can create the business, then decide, okay, Big Fry, do you want it? So I'm contacting Big Fry and telling him, you know, Big Fry Gaming, right? I contact him, I tell him, do you want it? I have created one for you and it's on a pro account. So if you want, you can come and check it out and just sign up on any random username, and I'll actually just transfer it to you. I type your name, bam, 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 you accept it, bam, very easy. So you can do that and probably even make money from it if you want. Just setting up people accounts and just selling it for them basically. And yeah, so that's what I was testing out. Hopefully he ends up accepting it. So these are the five businesses that I have, and that's extra because I already have my profile account plus the extra 5. So you can have up to 6 of them, which is pretty cool. So this is the forum. Shows what people are talking about. You set up a forum on the front page, in the front block, in the forum blocks, and you have referrals. You probably want to get some money from that, so you can sign up for referrals. Your referral link is up here. Hosted widgets, which is something very new right now. It's basically you having your own website and wanting to host different widgets on it. So here I have like a Black Friday deal coming up, and it'll show on your page and hover over your page and stuff. So it hovers over your page. There are different styles. Let's go to the classic style. Is pretty much different. You can add the image, you can add text, image, and you can call to action also, and it will appear on your page. So you can have just a splash page of that, but it's not your page as in sideurl.com/. It's like for your own website. So this is just hosted by me, but it's embedded on your website. So then you get the embed code. You can get all the embed codes and copy that and paste it on your website. So you have Google reviews, which shows the Google reviews, shows all the Google reviews here. You type in your business name, and you search it up, and then you click it, add it up, and then you embed it on your website because it's hard to actually do these things single-handedly. You kind of need somebody to set up all the codes for you and for it to actually work. So that's just a way of doing it. There's other websites that do things like that. Just something I wanted to offer into mine. WhatsApp chat, same kind of vibes. You have WhatsApp chat at the bottom of your website, and the person clicks it, and they could actually click it and contact you. You can fill it up, follow images and whatnot. They click it and they go direct to your wa.me, the whatsapp.me site, and they can actually contact you one time, if you guys understand. So a lot of people use things like that. That's why I make sure I have it on the website. And your settings, got to make sure you have some nice themes and stuff. There are a lot of themes that you can choose from. Your contact email, you can always put your contact email right there. Pro plan is active. The coupon, this is where you put the coupon. So side URL 360. Once you activate that, you will get coupon for a year. So then you have the API key, if in case you want to use my API key to create URLs outside of side URL, you can do that also. I have an extension coming up that I'm trying to set up, so you guys will pretty much see that. I think that's pretty much it. Everything else is pretty much admin dashboard. So that's pretty much it for the for sideurl.com. But you sign up right now and you get these things for free. Oh, I didn't show you guys the banner. Maybe I should show you guys how the banner looks. Who do I have? I could check out Blue Sapphire. So Blue Sapphire has a profile here, and this is basically how it looks. So this is your banner. You get the verification tick. It's yellow for businesses and blue for your official profiles. So you get a banner, and it removes the header here. So this get removed, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It removes this whole block right there. So now you look kind of professional, kind of like say Facebook or something. And then you have some of the image flashing there, which you can have different ones. So there you have barbecue chicken. You can order it. If you click this, it'll go to the whatsapp.me and you'll be talking to the person directly. As you can see, there are Google reviews. It's showing 2 of them because they probably only have 2 of them. And you can add your little icons here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys used the code. And I'll see you guys in the next one, probably talking about the YouTube Creator Tool software that I have, Publisher Assistant and stuff like that. Maybe you guys are gonna love it because it's gonna help you, especially small YouTubers, start off. So I'll see you guys in the next one.